Hello everyone, I'm Morgan from MRX Networks and you've joined me today in Hout Bay just outside Cape Town. We've been working with a client of ours on various different projects throughout this year, and she's asked me for a very special project to be completed before Christmas when her family are coming to visit her here in Cape Town, and that is to be able to install a surround sound system with a projection-based solution. So what we've done is we've worked with Shane and the team at Field Joiners to construct this box over here, which houses the motorized drop-down projection screen that we're going to be projecting onto. This screen has a size of about 106 inches, which is really comfortable for the viewing distance, which is off to my right-hand side, which our client is going to be sitting and watching from. Basically, the screen is completely hidden and drops down when our client is ready to watch. And inside this box, we have 3 M&K M50 speakers acting as the LCR. These have been installed onto angled wooden plates which direct the sound to where the couch is going to be located so that our client gets as best possible audio solution, considering we can't exactly have floor standing speakers in this area. Of course, these doors stack away almost completely, so it would be difficult to leave permanently standing floor speakers here. So this is the solution that we've come up with. We're incredibly happy with how it's turned out so far. We're going to be coming back next week to do some core drilling so we can get our speaker cabling into this box, and obviously routing the power for the projection screen so that it's not just dangling down here, of course. What I'd like to just show you next is the solution that we've put in place for the projector and where the surround sound AVR is going to be going, so that we can make sure that the equipment is housed within this room and easily accessible for our client. This is the back of the room, and what we've got is a box mounted up at the top on the wall, which will be for our Epson TW9400 projector, and a box mounted at the bottom of the back wall for the Anthem MRX 740 surround sound AVR. We're going to be placing a M&K V10 Plus subwoofer beneath this lower box, which will be our base for the room, and this is obviously how we've laid out everything. A note, obviously, just with regards to the projector, we've used the Epson for various different reasons. We can get a great light output and a very accurate calibration of the projector so that we can have a very comfortable viewing experience. The projector also has lens shift capabilities. Because our projection screen is just slightly off center, it was important for us to make sure that we can actually align the projector with the projection screen even though it's not straight on, while avoiding keystone, because naturally that just degrades the actual image quality of from the projector. So this is the solution that we came up with. What we're doing, once again, like the front of the room, we'll be core drilling out the back of this wall so that we can run our HDMI cable up to the projector, and we'll be core drilling behind the surround sound AVR location so that we can route our cabling externally around the building to the projection screen at the front of the room. Our client is very happy with this. It was a solution that they didn't think about themselves before, so we're all on the same page, and something that I'm sure is going to work well. So this marks the end of the first fix on this installation, and what I thought would be great is if we share some behind the scenes of the actual installation taking place. The team from Field Joiners and ourselves mounting up the various different hardware components that are going to make this installation a success. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you've enjoyed this second video in the series of completing this surround sound installation here in Hout Bay. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can actually see the finished product. It should be up on the channel fairly soon. If you like this video, hit the like button down below. We'd like to see that you enjoy this content. And as always, if you'd like to know more about the services that we offer and discuss a project for yourself, please feel free to get in contact. It's something that we'd be really happy to assist you with.